What else?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. And today I'm gonna do a natural hair video. I have kind of been slacking on natural hair stuff, but the thing is, I'm trying to grow out my hair. So trying to put like a hairstyle video out regularly is a bit hard because I'm trying to grow out my hair. So I need to keep it in its protective styling. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna do a natural hair video today. It's gonna be a flat twist, which I've actually never done before. So this could totally go bad. And now that it's summertime in the rest of the world, but not Glasgow, because today is absolutely pouring down. Alright, yeah, it's raining today. I got this style inspiration from a YouTuber called Marley, and I'll put her link of the actual video down below. Her hair is much longer than mine, so I had to sort of tweak it to fit my hair length. What you're gonna need? You're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need some hair bands, hair bubbles, scrunchies, Americans call it, and a little crocodile clip majig. So first thing, you want to section out your hair into 4 sections. So let's go.
What else? You don't say money no be problem.
So once you've sectioned up your hair, you look like a 3-year-old. Oh my days. You're gonna take one of the sections out, and what I'm gonna do is we're gonna like flat twist to the front, these 2 to the front, while the ones at the back to the back, so that's how it will fall when you take it out. So comb this out, and then it's up to you how big you want the twist to be. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna make a little line here, and then you want to take your crocodile and just keep the rest of the hair out of the way. Hope you can see that. I forgot to mention, you're gonna need some Eco Styler gel. This is the argan oil one. And once you've combed out your section, take some Eco Styler, put it through the hair, and then you're gonna start to flat twist.
Minja me honk of a boy for floor. Heavy the junk, I'm a Joseph draw. What am I come to me to mentor so boy? The human dear Sam and a mad door. I don't want to reminisce how we used to be. I don't think you even know what you mean to me. When you mean your macadam with a new release, I miss you, and you be my new disease. Would you know will you be my boo for life? Someone coming home, I mean, I don't feel survive. We took my day, I don't to see your type. Really want to see your face, we could meet for Skype. Call on my dog, face away, I'm in pinna. What say you're good out with the mad in China? Then Shabby Sapa wins you, fan hammer. And you're brown, and you're twice
your mama, oh yeah, and I want to meet your papa, oh yeah, said I want to meet your mama, oh yeah, and I want to meet your papa, oh yeah, you made me wanna put down the one knee, put down the one knee, eh, put down the one knee, put down the one knee, eh, put down the one knee, put down the one knee, eh, put down the one knee, put down the one knee.
You see a you don't do. And I say a corner bone one. My commanded the mem one is a kunku. Say me you want to cry at the long run. Men I middle shooting up with the princess. What don't you see me need to say ribbons? What am I saying? Come my back on. I can see me get you way for 8 months. Shall they make I do the fit up? Obo me ding and I'm a boadro. Ojama kwa just a photo. But you also be kissing I'm a raho. Only Buddha made that one day. Cause my coma could dim rough. Tell the captain I be a macoma and I want to be another.
I want to meet your mama. Oh yeah, and I want to meet your papa. Oh yeah, said I want to meet your mama. Oh yeah, and I want to meet your papa. Oh yeah, you made me wanna put down the one knee, put down the one knee, eh, put down the one knee, put down the one knee. You made me wanna put down the one knee, put down the one knee, eh, put down the one knee, put down the one knee. Start with a high, that's a hello. Baby go low, and now we at the high, start off for the low. Yeah, now bring it back up. She got me on the high, even on the low. Whoa, my baby go low. Why would I say goodbye? She all wanna hold. I know they can't want, they really want it. Together we gon' find the blue. Yeah, yeah. Let's silly like a number below. Yeah, yeah. You will never be on the road. Yeah, yeah. So baby come over, baby. Yeah, yeah. Cause together we gon' find the blue. Yeah, yeah. Let's silly like a number below. Yeah, yeah. You will never be on the road. Yeah, yeah. Then she turned around and I told her, said I want to meet your mama.
Today is like the morning after the night before that I put in my flat twists, And I'm just gonna unravel it. I slept with a scarf on my head, which fell off halfway through the night, man. Can you believe it? So I'm gonna put some olive oil. This is just a plain olive oil that I got from Tesco. It's not extra virgin or nothing, it's just olive oil. I'm gonna put that over my hands and just put that through while I unravel these twists. So now that I've put that through the hair, I'm gonna start taking them out. And a lot of videos say you need to be really gentle, so I'm gonna try, okay?
Oh yeah. Said I want to meet your mama. Oh yeah. And I want to meet your papa. Oh yeah. You made me wanna put down the one in it. 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 Put down the one in it.
Right guys, so this is the finished look. How do I feel about it? I don't know. I personally don't see the difference between doing this or if I did like a normal braid out. I don't see the twist. It's nice. I would rock it, yeah. Rock it to the town, yeah. Rock it to the Tesco. Rock it to the Lidl. Rock it to the Prima. I would rock it. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I'll show you guys the back.
Everybody, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody, let's go. Let's go.
Tell them now. Okay, girlfriend, what's your name? Come with me and Shonaldin. Welcome to the ghetto. We will show you how to ramp and them. Nyaguro bin na midye. Chida bubo sen kopfie. They mind what